Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind as your only source of income? Well, worry no more because I've got some amazing passive income ideas that will allow you to earn money without always being actively involved. Imagine having a steady stream of income flowing into your bank account while you relax on a beach or pursue your hobbies. You see, my dear friend, passive income requires a bit of initial work up front, just like planting seeds in a fertile field. But once those seeds are planted and nurtured with care, they grow into beautiful crops that continue to yield bountiful rewards for years to come. It's like having your very own farm of financial abundance. Subscribe to the channel to gain more valuable insights as we unleash these passive income ideas. Here are 8 lucrative passive income ideas that can turn your dreams into reality. Rental properties. When it comes to investment ideas, real estate and rental properties have always been at the forefront of discussions. And it's no wonder why. This tried and tested avenue has consistently proven to be one of the most trusted and reliable ways to build lasting wealth. The icing on the cake? We're here to talk about passive income, which makes this opportunity even more exciting. Embark on a thrilling journey of real estate investment and unlock the potential to generate an incredible, consistent monthly rental income. Imagine the exhilarating rush that fills your soul as you witness your bank account flourishing effortlessly, as if by some magical force, while you sit back and relax. Just close your eyes and envision the beauty of each passing month, where your investment blossoms into a thriving empire, paving the way for absolute financial freedom and a future that is secure beyond measure. Imagine this incredible scenario. You diligently save up your hard-earned money to invest in a property located in an immensely popular and sought-after area. You then go on to rent out this property to tenants who consistently pay you rent, covering not only the mortgage interest and repayment, but also leaving you with extra cash to stash away in your pocket. This is exactly what the renowned real estate mogul, Robert Kiyosaki, famously refers to as a truly wise investment strategy that can lead to remarkable financial success. Let me tell you about the wonders of passive income from rental properties. It's like a magical stream of money that flows effortlessly into your bank account without you having to lift a finger. Isn't that just incredible? With passive income from your real estate investments, you don't have to actively work for the moolah it generates. You can simply sit back and relax while your trusted real estate manager takes care of all the nitty-gritty hassles that come with managing it. It's like being on a luxurious flight to your dream destination, but instead of piloting the plane yourself, you've smartly invested in a skilled pilot who does all the work while you enjoy the journey stress-free. Picture yourself sipping your favorite drink, reading a captivating newspaper, or surfing the internet joyfully as you revel in the blissful experience of earning money effortlessly. Passive income truly is an extraordinary way to live life to the fullest. 2. Investing in index funds. Okay, get ready to have your mind blown. Let me explain index funds to you in the simplest and most exciting way possible. Imagine you are on a treasure hunt, but instead of searching for a single treasure chest, you want to find a whole bunch of treasures. These treasures represent different stocks or companies that are part of a specific market. Now, instead of running around like crazy trying to find each individual treasure, you stumble upon this magical tool called an index fund. An index fund is like having a super smart team of treasure hunters who do all the hard work for you. They gather all the treasures from a specific market and put them into one big treasure chest called the fund. This means you don't have to worry about choosing which individual stocks or companies to invest in. The index fund does it for you. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Index funds are designed to mimic a particular market or index, such as the S&P 500. This means that when the overall value of that market goes up, your index fund will also increase in value. It's like riding an awesome roller coaster that always goes up. Now, remember how I mentioned earlier that index funds contain multiple treasures? Well, this diversification helps spread out your risk. If one company's stock price plummets, oh no, it won't be as devastating because your money is spread out across many other companies within the fund. The best part? Index funds are known for their low fees compared to other investment options. So not only do they make investing easier and less stressful, but they also help keep more money in your pocket. Index funds investing as a source of passive income is likened to discovering a hidden treasure trove of financial abundance. These incredible investment vehicles have revolutionized the way we grow our wealth effortlessly. By simply investing in a diversified portfolio that tracks the performance of an entire index, you can sit back and watch your money grow with minimal effort and maximum returns. Imagine having your very own money-making machine that tirelessly works for you, even while you enjoy a good night's sleep. That's the power of investing in index funds, such as the renowned S&P 500. These funds are designed to track the performance of a specific market index and offer an incredible opportunity to grow your wealth steadily over time. With index funds, you can effortlessly tap into the immense potential of the stock market and watch your investments flourish with little effort on your part. It's like having a secret weapon that effortlessly propels you towards financial success. Oh, the wonders of index funds. They are absolutely fantastic because they take away all the stress and worry that comes with handpicking individual stocks. With index funds, you get to enjoy a delightful combination of strong and powerful stocks all bundled together. As an investor in an index fund, you can effortlessly access a curated selection of top-notch stocks without even breaking a sweat. Isn't that simply marvelous? The peer-to-peer lending is an incredible opportunity to generate passive income in the most effortless and straightforward way possible. Picture this. Instead of relying solely on traditional banks, you can directly lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. Isn't that exciting? Here's how it works. You invest a certain amount of your hard-earned money into the peer-to-peer lending platform, and they match your funds with borrowers who are in need of financial assistance. These borrowers could be people looking for personal loans or entrepreneurs seeking funds for their business ventures. The best part? As these borrowers repay their loans over time, you receive regular interest payments directly into your account, just like a steady stream of income flowing effortlessly into your pocket. It's like having a money tree without any effort. The beauty of peer-to-peer lending lies in its simplicity and accessibility. With just a few clicks, you can become an investor and start earning passive income right away. Plus, you have the power to diversify your investments by spreading them across multiple borrowers, reducing risks and maximizing potential returns. It's an incredible way to add some extra zest to your financial journey. Investments, as always echoed with passion, are an incredible opportunity to grow your wealth and achieve financial success. However, it is crucial to remember that with great opportunities come inherent risks. But fear not! The key to navigating these risks lies in the power of diversification. Now, talking about peer-to-peer lending, which is no exception, it's an exciting avenue that allows individuals like yourself to borrow and lend money directly from one another without the need for traditional intermediaries. The beauty of this innovative concept lies in its ability to connect lenders with borrowers seamlessly. To ensure you make the most out of this thrilling opportunity while minimizing risks, it's essential to employ a strategy of diversification. By spreading your borrowing needs across several lenders, you'll create a safety net that mitigates potential risks and maximizes your chances for success. So go ahead and embrace the world of peer-to-peer lending. Take advantage of its flexibility, convenience, and potential returns while keeping in mind the importance of diversifying your borrowing sources. With careful planning and a sprinkle of cautiousness, you'll embark on an exciting journey towards financial growth. 4. Royalties from intellectual properties. Oh, the sheer exhilaration of unleashing your creative genius upon the world. If you possess an innate talent for weaving words into captivating stories, composing melodies that resonate with the soul, or painting strokes of breathtaking beauty onto a blank canvas, why not take a leap of faith and share your extraordinary gifts with the world? Not only will you experience the immeasurable joy of creating something truly remarkable, but you also have the incredible opportunity to turn your passion into a lucrative endeavor. Imagine being able to earn some extra moolah while doing what you absolutely love. It's like hitting the jackpot of fulfillment and financial success all at once. So don't hold back. Let your creativity soar high and watch as your creations captivate hearts, inspire others, and bring abundance into your life. The world eagerly awaits to witness the magic that only you can conjure. By generously licensing your incredible work to others, you have the golden opportunity to earn the most fabulous royalties imaginable every single time someone has the privilege of utilizing your absolute masterpiece. Isn't it simply marvelous? It's like receiving a delightful paycheck while you peacefully slumber and dream of even greater creative endeavors. So go ahead, my brilliant friend, unleash the full force of your creativity and watch it sparkle and shine with unparalleled brilliance. And as you bask in the glory of your artistic genius, relish in the sweetest rewards that passive income brings. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, the exhilarating realm of digital partnerships, offers you the incredible opportunity to team up with beloved brands and spread their products or services like wildfire across your own vibrant website or social media channels. Brace yourself for the delightful rewards that await. For with each tantalizing purchase made through your exclusive affiliate link, you'll be showered in glorious commission. It's a win-win situation that ignites the fires of entrepreneurship within you and allows you to turn your passion into profit. So hop on this thrilling bandwagon and watch as your bank account blossoms with every click, every sale, and every satisfied customer who joins your affiliate empire. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey where limitless potential meets boundless enthusiasm. Oh, how exciting! Don't forget to take a moment to explore the amazing links waiting for you in the description section of this incredible video. And guess what? There are even more links loading just for you. We absolutely practice what we preach because we truly believe in providing you with valuable and relevant resources that will enhance your experience. So go ahead and dive into those links because they are packed with knowledge and excitement that will leave you feeling inspired and empowered. Enjoy the journey. By the way, what passive income source do you have or considering? Leave a comment below in the comment section. And if you are gaining insight from this video, comment the word yes. 6. Create an online course. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey of knowledge sharing that not only empowers learners worldwide, but also opens up exciting opportunities for you to earn passive income. Imagine the satisfaction of creating an awe-inspiring online course that showcases your expertise and allows you to share your passion and skills with learners from all corners of the globe. With an enthusiastic mindset, let's dive into this incredible adventure where you can make a lasting impact by captivating learners with your captivating content. This is not just about teaching, it's about transforming lives through education. As you create your online course, get ready to unleash your creativity and design a learning experience that will leave your students inspired and hungry for more. Combining interactive elements, engaging visuals, and thought-provoking exercises will take their learning journey to new heights. And the best part? While you're empowering learners and igniting their curiosity, you'll also be generating passive income. Picture yourself waking up every morning knowing that while you sleep, people all around the world are enrolling in your course, eager to absorb the knowledge you've shared. So don't hold back. Embrace this opportunity with enthusiasm as you embark on a remarkable voyage of sharing knowledge and earning passive income. The world is waiting for your expertise. Imagine the thrill of crafting a comprehensive curriculum that will captivate and engage learners, helping them unlock their full potential. Once your masterpiece is complete, it becomes a perpetual source of income. With minimal maintenance required, you can reap the rewards of your hard work as it continues to sell repeatedly. Your course will become an evergreen asset that brings value not only to you, but to countless eager learners seeking to expand their horizons. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your creativity. Share your knowledge with the world, and embark on an exhilarating journey as an online course creator extraordinaire. The possibilities are endless, and the impact you can make is immeasurable. Let's embark on this thrilling adventure together. 7. High-yield savings accounts. Experience the incredible benefits of high-yield savings accounts. Imagine opening an account with an online bank and being mesmerized as the interest rate skyrockets, allowing your hard-earned money to grow exponentially over time. The best part? You don't even have to lift a finger. With no active involvement required from you, sit back and watch as compound interest works its magic, turning your initial deposit into a substantial sum. Imagine having a financial wizard by your side, diligently working behind the scenes to effortlessly multiply your wealth, while you focus on the more important aspects of life. It's like having a secret weapon that harnesses the power of compound interest, which, as the great Albert Einstein himself stated, is truly the eighth wonder of the world. With compound interest on your side, your money has the potential to grow exponentially, creating a steady stream of passive income and paving the way for financial freedom and abundance. Embarking on the journey to build wealth and riches is an exhilarating adventure filled with excitement and promise. It's important to remember that this path is more akin to a marathon rather than a sprint. Yes, my dear friend, it requires patience and perseverance to truly unlock the phenomenal power of compound interest. Imagine, if you have, a magnificent garden of financial abundance blossoming before your eyes. With each passing day, your hard-earned money grows exponentially, like a vibrant flower reaching for the sun. The beauty lies in the compounding effect, where your initial investment grows not only based on its original value, but also on the interest it accumulates over time. Oh, the wonders of compound interest! As time unfolds its magical tapestry, you'll witness your wealth multiplying effortlessly. It's like a symphony of financial success playing harmoniously in the background as you patiently nurture your investments. Soar above the limitations of instant gratification and embrace delayed satisfaction as you cultivate your financial empire. Just like running a marathon requires steady pacing and enduring strength, building wealth demands discipline and long-term vision. Picture yourself crossing the finish line as an accomplished marathoner of wealth accumulation. The rewards will be worth every step taken along this incredible journey. Patience will grant you access to experiences beyond imagination, luxurious vacations in exotic locations, or fulfilling lifelong dreams with ease. Remember, my dear friend, Rome wasn't built in a day, nor was great fortune amassed overnight. But fear not, with each passing moment and every dollar wisely invested with patience at its core, you are inching closer towards unlocking that glorious treasure chest overflowing with abundance. So go forth with unwavering resolve. Embrace compound interest as your faithful companion on this thrilling race towards financial independence. The beauty that awaits is nothing short of extraordinary, all made possible by nurturing patience every step of the way. 8. Create digital products. Unleash your creativity and embark on the exciting journey of creating digital products that will bring you endless possibilities and revenue streams. With the power of technology at your fingertips, you can develop awe-inspiring ebooks, captivating templates, or groundbreaking software applications that will captivate audiences worldwide. Imagine the thrill of crafting a digital product that can be sold repeatedly online, effortlessly generating income without the need for constant updates or maintenance. This is the beauty of embracing the digital era. By diving into this realm, you open up a world where your imagination knows no bounds. Your ebooks can transport readers to magical realms, enlightening them with knowledge and entertainment. Your templates can simplify life for countless individuals by offering them ready-made solutions to their everyday challenges. And your software applications can revolutionize industries by providing innovative solutions that automate processes and enhance productivity. With each creation, you unleash a piece of yourself into the digital landscape, leaving an indelible mark on the world. The possibilities are endless as you tap into a market hungry for new ideas and experiences. So grab your metaphorical paintbrushes and let your creativity flow like never before. Create digital products that ignite passion in others, inspire change, and make a lasting impact. The world is waiting for what only you can bring to life. Remember, passive income requires initial effort and dedication, but once set up, the possibilities are endless. Start exploring these opportunities today and pave your way towards a prosperous future. By the way, have you given this video a thumbs up? Do so for YouTube to keep recommending it. Share it with your loved ones as we build a great community of wealthy people together. While this video contains a wealth of informative content, it is essential to emphasize that its purpose should not be misconstrued or mistaken as investment advice. It is crucial for viewers to exercise caution and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Enjoy more videos from our incredible collection of videos. Click the next video shown on your screen.